Between 1497 and 1500, Amerigo Vespucci embarked on 2 voyages to the New World. According to Vespucci's letters, the first voyage lasted 43 days longer than the second one, and the 2 voyages combined lasted a total of 1,003 days. How many days did the second voyage last? So another system of equations question right here. We have 2 voyages that are being talked about. It says the first voyage lasted 43 days longer than the second voyage. So we have V1, let's call this the first voyage, just defining variables for now, and then V2 will of course be the second voyage, right? Alright, so we are told that the first voyage, V1, was 43 days longer than the second one. So whatever the second one was, plus 43. So V1 is the number of days for first voyage. This is basically the number of days for both of these. Number of days. All right, so with that said, we can now write some equations here. So we are told that both voyages combined lasted a total of 1,003 days. So we already have equation 1. Equation 2 says if you combine the 2 voyages, V1 plus V2, they add up to 1,003 days. So now we have a system of equations, and thankfully we already have a V1 that's isolated, so we can literally take this and plug it right in here in place of V1. So we'll have V2 plus 43 plus V2 again equals 1,003. So V2 and V2, those add up to 2V2 plus 43 equals 1,003. Now we can subtract 43 from both sides. And you're welcome to use your calculator if you wanted. So the second voyage, which is V2, equals 960. So to cap this off, we're just going to divide everything by 2. I'm going to move this up here where we have more room. And you find that voyage 2 took 480 days. So we've answered the question because we wanted to know how many days did the second voyage last. That's 480 days, which makes B the right answer.